The 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome is a fascinating, if somewhat surreal, addition to the automotive landscape, blending the aggressive DNA of a muscle car with the utility of a modern RV. While the idea of a Mustang RV sounds like an April Fool's joke, this concept aims to capture the hearts of enthusiasts who refuse to sacrifice performance for the sake of adventure. It is designed for a niche market of travelers who want to hit the open road with speed and style, effectively turning every highway into a drag strip and every campsite into a luxury suite. The exterior design is where the Mustang heritage is most visible, featuring the iconic shark nose grille and signature tri-bar LED lighting that have defined the pony car for decades. Instead of the boxy, uninspired silhouette of a traditional motorhome, this vehicle utilizes aerodynamic composite panels and a lower, wider stance to maintain a sense of motion even when parked. The muscular wheel arches and sleek lines suggest a vehicle that is more at home carving through mountain passes than lumbering down the slow lane. Under the hood, the performance lives up to the badge, with most iterations featuring a high-output 5.0L Coyote V8 or a sophisticated hybrid powertrain producing upwards of 500 horsepower. This isn't just about straight-line speed. The motorhome is equipped with an adaptive suspension system and performance-tuned brakes to handle the extra weight of its living quarters. For those who want the ultimate thrill, there are even whispers of a Shelby-inspired variant that pushes the boundaries of what a recreational vehicle can do on the tarmac. The interior of the 2026 Mustang Motorhome is a masterclass in modular design, making efficient use of every square inch without losing the sporty cockpit feel. The driver is greeted by a massive digital instrument cluster and a flat-bottom steering wheel, ensuring the driving experience remains central to the vehicle's identity. Premium leather upholstery and carbon fiber accents replace the drab plastics often found in entry-level campers, creating an atmosphere of high-end luxury that rivals modern sport SUVs. Moving back into the living area, the modular magic becomes apparent through a layout that prioritizes flexibility for solo travelers or couples. A compact lounge area features swivel seats that integrate into a dining space, while a Murphy-style bed can be deployed from the bulkhead for a restful night's sleep. The use of ambient LED lighting allows owners to shift the mood from a focused driving environment to a cozy, warm retreat at the touch of a button. The kitchenette is surprisingly capable for its size, featuring an induction cooktop, a high-efficiency mini fridge, and a streamlined sink system. While you won't be hosting Thanksgiving dinner here, it provides everything necessary for gourmet trail-side meals. Smart storage solutions are tucked into every corner, utilizing hidden compartments and soft close cabinetry to ensure that your gear doesn't rattle or shift during spirited driving. Technology is the backbone of this modern beast, centered around the Ford Sync 6 infotainment system that offers seamless smartphone integration and real-time navigation. The vehicle acts as a rolling Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing for remote work or streaming entertainment deep in the wilderness. Furthermore, a dedicated app provides control over the vehicle's climate zones, battery levels, and solar power intake, giving users total autonomy over their off-grid experience. Despite its performance focus, the 2026 Mustang Motorhome doesn't skip on the essentials, including a compact wet bath module with a high-pressure shower and a cassette toilet. High-quality insulation ensures that the cabin remains quiet and temperature-controlled, regardless of whether you are in the scorching desert or a chilly forest. It's a specialized setup that acknowledges the reality of van life, while stripping away the typical inconveniences of small-space living. On the road, the driving dynamics are unlike any other RV currently on the market, offering a level of responsiveness and steering feedback that is genuinely surprising. Selectable drive modes, including a track mode for when the camper is empty and a comfort mode for long-haul cruising, allow the driver to tailor the vehicle's behavior to the terrain. It successfully bridges the gap between a performance car and a home, though it certainly leans more toward the car side of that equation. Of course, this fusion comes with trade-offs, primarily in terms of raw interior volume and cargo capacity when compared to traditional Class C motorhomes. You won't be fitting a large family or massive amounts of outdoor gear inside, as this is strictly a lifestyle vehicle for those who pack light and move fast. The price tag is also a significant factor, positioning it as a premium luxury item rather than an affordable entry point into the camping world. The market reception for such a daring concept has been polarizing, with traditionalists questioning the use of the Mustang name on a vehicle with a kitchenette. However, for a new generation of nomads who value individuality and speed, it represents a bold step forward in automotive evolution. It challenges the notion that a motorhome must be a slow, cumbersome box and instead proposes that the journey should be just as exhilarating as the destination. Safety features are comprehensive, including 360-degree cameras that are essential for maneuvering the elongated chassis in tight spots. Ford's Copilot 360 suite provides adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, making those long stretches of interstate much less taxing for the driver. These systems are calibrated specifically for the unique weight distribution of the motorhome, ensuring stability during emergency maneuvers or high-speed overtakes. In summary, the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome is an ambitious experiment that successfully blends two very different worlds into a cohesive, high-performance package. It is a vehicle for the road warrior, in the truest sense, someone who wants to explore the country without ever losing the thrill of the drive. While it may not be the most practical choice for everyone, its sheer audacity and execution make it one of the most interesting releases of the year. If you are looking for a way to turn heads at the campground while being the first one to reach the trailhead, this Mustang-inspired RV is hard to beat. It isn't just a place to sleep, it is a statement about the joy of driving and the freedom of the open road. It effectively redefines what it means to be a pony car, proving that even a legend can learn to settle down, without ever actually slowing down.